This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Beth Marino. Fabulous opportunity to own on the island. Certificate of interest for the use of 20 boat slip number 10 conveys with the property. Restore the current home, or build your dream home. Loads of potential, no flood insurance required. 3-bedroom, 2 full baths. Living room, dining room, family room, relaxing screened porch, and large basement with the potential for an in-law suite, teenagers' quarters, game room, office, etc. Existing plumbing for full 3rd bathroom, but fixtures need to be replaced. Separate basement storage/workshop area, full fenced backyard with patio, swing, zipline, mature landscaping, and more. Close to many restaurants, shopping, and gyms, with easy access to the expressway. Property to convey is. No FHA or VA loans. Seller to provide clear termite and moisture letter from Accel Pest. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Marino at 757-286-8121.